To see you this Monday. I'm Courtney Robinson.
And I'm Josh Sidorowitz. First here, we are talking one-on-one with suspended Hillsborough State Attorney Andrew Warren. Governor Ron DeSantis, of course, suspended him last Thursday. In the 4 days since, Warren has held a news conference. He issued written statements, appeared on national television, and released a video on social media.
But today, he took our questions one-on-one. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser asked Warren about the accusations that now have him fighting to get back his job.
I was blindsided by a plot to illegally throw me out of office.
Andrew Warren says he was escorted from his office by armed deputies in a move he likened to a third world political coup. A twice-elected official suspended and replaced for what he calls purely political motives.
This is about the governor overthrowing democracy in Hillsborough County and in Florida.
State law gives a governor authority to remove elected officials for specific reasons. In this case, Governor DeSantis says Warren had been neglectful in his duty and showed incompetence.
It's easy to cherry pick one case, right? I can give you 1,000 cases that we did prosecute.
Cases cited by DeSantis were mentioned by local law enforcement, including Hillsborough Sheriff Chad Cronister, whom Warren called a friend.
I can't imagine the pressure he was under to say some of the things that he said.
Warren was less forgiving of former Tampa Police Chief Brian Dugan, who said Warren had failed to prosecute dozens of protesters arrested during Black Lives Matter demonstrations,
while conveniently ignoring the fact that we've charged felonies against like 120, 130 people during those riots.
Warren says he's planning to challenge his suspension both in court and in the state Senate.
I can't get into the legal strategy right now, but in the days ahead, you're going to see exactly how we're going to fight back against this illegal order.
Governor DeSantis immediately assigned Hillsborough Judge Susan Lopez to the job, a move Warren called troubling.
This causes a massive disruption in the system.
Warren says he hasn't done anything that would justify his removal. He has publicly said he'd oppose prosecuting cases involving sex changes for minors, as well as women and doctors who violate the state's 15-week abortion law.
One of those laws regarding abortion has already been held unconstitutional by the first judge who looked at it. And the second of those issues regarding gender-affirming care, it's not even a law in the books yet.
Still, for now, Warren is locked out. A scenario he says everyone, regardless of political party, should find troubling.
This doesn't happen in America, except for the fact that it just did. This is why it should terrify anybody who cherishes freedom, democracy, American values.
In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
We did reach out to the state attorney's office to ask Susan Lopez if she would be willing to sit down as well for a one-on-one with us. Now, so far, that offer has been declined.